Now let's look at paragraphing or structuring of an email. When writing an email, use paragraphs. It makes it much easier for the reader to understand and see clearly what the email is about. In an email, a paragraph might only be 2 or 3 sentences long. For each new point, use a space and start a new paragraph. Let's look at the example we have here. It's an informal email from one friend to another, telling him about a new baby that he has. So let's look at the purpose of each paragraph. Paragraph 1 is a greeting. So, hello Dennis, make some small talk, how are you, how is your family? Then he starts a new paragraph for the reason for writing. I'm writing with some good news. I'm writing to tell you. He then goes on to paragraph 3, which is a request. He goes on to paragraph 4 with some other unrelated news. And then he has a new paragraph to close off the email and to say goodbye. Whether you are writing an informal, semi-formal, or formal email, always use paragraphs to separate points.